Welcome. Today we're going to show you how to create TikTok ads for WhatsApp. So if you want people to click onto your ad and go to WhatsApp directly so they can contact you and see other information from WhatsApp, I'm going to show you how to do that exactly. So the first thing that you need to do is to create your business account in TikTok. So if you already have a TikTok account, you can just click on login and log in from that account. Or if you don't have any account at all, you can just click on get started. So from here you can actually create your account using your email and password, or you can actually create it using your phone. Or you can sign up from the TikTok login page. As see from here, here's TikTok login page, you can create accounts from here or log in with your TikTok account. After that, here's the TikTok for Business dashboard. So after you log into your account, you will have two options. First, you need the Ads Manager. If you don't have it, you need to create an Ads Manager from here. After that, after you fill all of your information, you need to open the Ads Manager account. As see from here, you need to click on it. After that, from here, you need to create a campaign. So you can click on create campaign on the left, and then you need to choose traffic and click on continue. After that, from here you can write the campaign name, and then for the optimization goal you can choose whatever you want. There's two types. I will prefer the click option, as see from here. And then from here you need to paste the WhatsApp link on the destination URL. You can actually copy it from WhatsApp itself, or you can make this link up using the URL itself. So you can just write wa.me and then slash your phone number, and then the text from here you can actually change it to whatever text you like. After that, you can try the link yourself before you add it to here. Also, there's a lot of other options that you can actually change, but after you add the destination link, everything will work actually fine, and now you have made an ad from TikTok business with WhatsApp. So now you can change the options as you like. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.